Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Math G Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you the functional equation, and you can see the differential method and the area under the curve. All the concept will be there in this problem, right? Okay, so you can see the given function is twice differential function. Okay, the linear functional equation is there, functional equation. So f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. So what you can do, which function it will be suitable for this? You can see, if I take f of x equal to exponential function e power x, the addition changes to the product, right? Just replace x by x plus y, e power x plus y, you can change into e power x into e power y. So therefore we can write f of x into f of y. So the suitable function for this would be e power x. So in general, let f of x would be e power kx, we can take. Okay, fine. So we need to use the second differential equations here. So how to use this one? For that we need to differentiate this f dash of x. You know how to differentiate this one, student? You can see e power x differentiation, e power something, something if you differentiate is what this is something here, kx differentiation k. Okay, therefore k into e power kx. Okay, fine. F double dash of x is what? The same idea, k into e power kx. Just k, keep it as it is, e power kx differentiation, k times e power kx, it will be k square e power kx. All right, okay. Now you can use this given thing, differential equation method. You can see f double dash of x minus 3a times f dash of x minus f of x equal to 0. Now you can substitute everything. What is f double dash of x? K square e power kx minus 3 times a. What is f dash of x? K into e power kx minus, what is f of x? E power kx equal to 0. Clear? In this whole expression, which is common here, e power x, you take it out. What is that? K square minus 3a k minus 1 equal to 0. The product of two expression is 0 means either one of them would be 0, right? So e power x cannot be 0. E power x always what? Greater than, strictly greater than 0 for all x belongs to real number. This is always greater than 0. Therefore, the only possibility is k square minus 3a times k minus 1 equal to 0. Now your target is to find the k using the f dash of 0 is equal to 4a. How to use this one? But one thing we have, f dash of x is given to you is what? We calculated, right? We calculated k times e power kx, right? Now you put x equal to 0, f dash of 0 will be what? K times e power 0. So k will be what? What is f dash of 0 is given to you? 4a, right? So k is equal to 4a. Now you can substitute in this. This is, let's take this is first equation. Okay. Then find out k. K square minus 3a times k minus 1 equal to 0. Substitute. 4a whole square minus 3a into 4a minus 1 equal to 0. 16a square, right? 16a square minus, so 3 into 4 is 12a square minus 1 equal to 0. 16a square minus 12a square will be 4a square minus 1 equal to 0. 4a square is equal to 1. So this implies a square is equal to 1 by 4, right? But what is given to you? A is greater than 0. So a would be plus or minus 1 by 2. But a cannot be negative. Therefore, a you can take greater than 0 means you have to take suitable x values what? A is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Let's come to the discussion on the area under the curve. So or is given to you, collection of all x comma y will be 0 to f of ax, and x will be 0 to 2 is given to you, right? Then how to draw this graph? Just I'll take another page. So what is the given to you? Y will be 0 to f of ax is given. And second thing, what is that? X will be 0 to 2. X will be 0 to 2. Correct? Both are included, right? Yes. Just now we got it. What is f of x? We already generally we defined it e power kx. What is k here? K just now we got it, no? What is k? K will be 4a, right? K will be 4a, e power 4a into x. What is a? Is 1 by 2, right? We got it, right? 1 times here, 2 times. So e power 2x. This is your f of x. Okay. Now we need actually, what are the thing is required from here? So you can see, if you want to find the area under the curve, so what are the things you need to understand here? Y is equal to 0 and y is equal to f of ax. Okay. But you know that f of x equal to e power 2x, then f of ax will be what? E power 2 into ax, right? Then e power 2 into, what is a? 1 by 2, right? So 2 cancel, e power x. Therefore f of ax will be e power x. Clear? So y is equal to e power x. Done. Next thing, you need to compare this interval input values, right? X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2. Okay, let's draw the graph quickly. X axis, this is y axis, right? What is the function is given to you? F of ax equal to e power x. You know e power x how to draw, right? But you need to draw from y value 0. Y 0 means what? Y value 0 means x values, right? X axis, right? Okay. X 0 means, you can see x 0 means so y axis, right? And x is equal to 2 means, let's take here is 1, here is 2. It is parallel to y axis, x is equal to 2. Now you have to draw the graph of e power x. F of ax is what? E power x. The graph will be, you know, it will be intersect at 0 comma 1, right? The graph will be like this, right? Correct? Just 1 minute. Yes. The graph will be, suppose if you draw like this is e power x graph. Consider here, this is 0 comma 1, right? We need this area only, right? Area under the curve only, right? This only required. Y is equal to e power x. Clear? Now, how to find out the area under this curve? So we don't want this area. We need only this area, right? Correct? Because y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 2. Area under this curve. How to integrate? You have to integrate from 0 to 2, right? F of x into dx. You can take the vertical strip under the area under the curve is e power x, right? So 0 to 2 e power x into dx, right? Then this is your curve, right? Y is equal to e power x. So how to integrate this? E power x integration e power x by 1. So e power x only, 0 to 2 you can substitute, e square minus e power 0. So upper function minus lower functions, e square minus 1 is your answer. Understood? Okay, I hope everyone understood. Let's do the next question. Okay, this is one more functional equation and differential method involving how to do these questions. Okay, let's take f of x plus y is equal to f of x f dash of y plus f dash of x into f of y, right? Okay, so what we can do here, so we ultimately our target is to find f of x, right? How to find f of x? So x and y may be any real number, right? Let me put x is equal to y is equal to 0. Let me take this one in this, substitute in the function. What will get? F of 0 is equal to f of 0, right? F of 0, f dash of 0 plus f dash of 0 into f of 0, right? So one more thing is given to you, f of 0 is 1 is given, right? Okay. Otherwise you can see f of 0 is equal to 2 times f of 0 into f dash of 0, correct? Clear? So in this case, what you can do, just you can see f of 0 will be cancelled, then 1 is equal to 2 times f dash of 0. This implies f dash of 0 will be 1 by 2. Clear? Okay, fine. The next thing is we need to find f of x. For that, the same equation you can put y is equal to 0. Right? Put y is equal to 0. Let's take this as 1. Put y is equal to 0 in 1. What will get? Just put y, f of x is equal to f of x, f dash of 0 plus f dash of x and f of y. F of y here is y is 0, no? F of 0. So now you can see how to write f of x is equal to f of x and f. What is f dash of 0? We got it 1 by 2. Okay, plus f dash of x. What is f of 0 is given to you 1, right? 1. Okay. Now you can simplify this, f of x minus f of x into 1 by 2 is equal to f dash of x, right? So half f of x, if you take common, 1 minus half will be half. Half times f of x equal to f dash of x. Clear? From this, how to find out f of x, right? Okay, you can see here, I will choose another page. So half times f of x equal to f dash of x, right? So half is equal to what? F dash of x by f of x. Clear? Let me take f of x equal to y. Okay. So f dash of x, how to write? dy by dx, right? So now replace here. So how to define this one? Half times, this is dy by dx into y, right? Understood? Okay. Otherwise, you do one thing, you can cross multiply first. Okay. So what will get? So f dash of x, so 2 times f dash of x is equal to f of x. Clear? Okay, this is 2 times dy by dx is equal to what? Y, right? We are considering f of x equal to y. Now you separate variable separately, you can do it. So dy by y is equal to dx, right? So this 2 is there, no? You send to the right side. So half times dx you can write, no? Yes. Now how to find out y? Y is actually f of x, right? Then how to find out? So the basically you need to integrate it, right? Then only you will get y. So integrating on both sides, dy by y is equal to half times integration dx. You know, you can see differentiate the denominator, so you will get numerator. Definitely you can apply log. log y is equal to half times x, right? Okay, so how to find out y here? Okay, so y, one more thing we missed here, it is indefinite integral. You can add c here, right? So you already know the reason actually. So now how to find out c here? The initial value is condition is given to is what? F of 0 is 1. F of 0 is 1. This is actually what? Log f of x is equal to half times x plus c. F of 0 is 1. Just you substitute x equal to 0. Log f of 0 is given to you 1, right? So half times 0 plus c. So log 1 will be 0 only. Therefore, c will be 0. So let's take this as second equation. So therefore, log y is equal to half times x plus c will be 0, no? Okay, then this is your function, right? Okay, fine. So log y is equal to half times x. But what is y here? Y is f of x, right? So equal to half times x. But we need in terms of n, just replace x by n. Log f of n is equal to half times n. Clear? Now what they're asking actually, the summation. So n vary from 1 to, what they're asking, 1 to 100 they're asking. Understood? 1 to 100 log f of n they're asking. But log f of n is what actually? N vary from 1 to 100. Log f of n will be n by 2. Okay, fine. So then how to sum of these things? Half you take it out. N is equal to 1 to 100. N is varying now. Just you substitute 1, 2, 3. So it is same as up to 100, right? You already know that sum of the 100 number is what? 100 into, so n into n plus 1, right? 101 by 2. So 1 times here is 50 times, right? Correct? So understood? So just you can see, yes, correct. So what is that value here? Half times, you know, 50 into 101 will be 5050, right? The half of that will be 5252, right? 52 or 525. The option is what? 2525, right? So 2525. So sorry. So here you have to change quickly. This answer would be what? Half of the times 2525. I hope all of you understood the answer. Okay, thank you everyone. So if you like this video, you can subscribe it and like it, and you can share to your friends. Thank you everyone.